I'm Mario. I'm Mario. I love to fart. I'm Mario. I'm Mario. I love to fart. Oh, that was really cool, Parappa. We should do that again. Yes, we should do that again, Mario. Maybe next time. If you invited me to the next WarioWare, maybe I can be in the next WarioWare with you. I might have to do that, but you know, it is a Switch exclusive, so why doesn't Nintendo buy me? I'm like a kid's game. Ratchet, do you hear that? Nintendo is trying to buy Parappa. We should do something.
Clank, who cares about him? No one likes his games, and plus, we're the better franchise.
What did you just say? You don't care about me. I'm your father, Ratchet. Epic Ratchet Battles of History featuring Captain Cork. Oh yeah, Parappa, I'm better than you. I make better fame and I make better games. I have more merchandise than you. More people love me. People buy the PS5 for me. I bet you're poor. I bet you living in the Wreck-It Ralph bricks. Well, you think you're so cool, Ratchet? I'm a pop culture icon. I have so much merch. Everyone loves me. My creator made Major Miners thing. You all made your creators, and you made Ratchet and Clank and turned the Nexus. You're stupid. You're dumb. I have better games than you. You went to N as a series. You didn't. And I am better because I'm Parappa. And people love me. And people love me. And I have a funny meme because it sucks. You don't have that, Ratchet. You don't have that. You don't have a crappy meme. I guess you're right. I guess I did lost because this meme freaking sucks. And whoever posts it, I hate you forever. Oh, and it's me, Captain Quark, and I'm gonna look at the cereal. Oh, Parappa cereal. I love Parappa cereal. Oh, this is the end. Beep, 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 beep.